How to remove Shopify from footer. So go ahead and open up your browser. In the search bar, type in shopify.com and just go to your Shopify dashboard. Click Online Stores on the left side panel. After that, click the three dots icon next to Customize on the page, then click Edit Code. After that, search for footer on the search files bar on the top left of your screen. Click on the footer.liquid. After that, click on the code text box, then click Ctrl F on your keyboard. A search bar will appear, and here search for the text powered. Hit enter, and it should bring you to a line of code with the code powered by the link. Just delete that whole line of code, then click save on the top right, and after that, the Shopify from footer should be removed. So that is how to remove Shopify from footer. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.